Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I shall be showing you guys I'm going to be taking this series, we'll be going throughout, bringing back every color of the rainbow, and each video will be a different color of the rainbow. Okay, let's start then. Yeah, this is my first Rainbow Festival, so I don't know what to expect. Yep, all the colors are drained. Oh no! I've seen pictures and I thought it was going to be so much more fun than this. It was colourful. I want the colour back. Give me my colour back. I don't like how everyone just stands on her, because then you can't really do it. A strange object. So I think we may just be about to get our first colour. Okay, take a closer look. Now what is it? Oh, what is this? Wait, hang on. I also heard something that if you were to go into photo mode in this place, it all goes to colour. What? There's legit colour when you go in photo mode? Oh, there's now new things where you can hide yourself, hide your horse, and also hide others. So they've done that to photo mode now. Oh, well that's it guys, we restored the yellow, and here it goes, looking nice. See you in the next one, bye!